Hey guys, so what I want to do is I want to give you an update of what we have so far on the house. Here's our flag. Somebody over there is cutting some wood. How rude. But anyway, this is what we have up so far. We have Mickey and Minnie up, we have SpongeBob up, we have Snoopy. These are all the new ones that I got this year. Yeah, this year. We have our little bear, Lady Liberty, and Uncle Sam. So you can see I put some of that bunting up there, those like little decorations, and some flags, and then there's the door hanger thing. So anyway, let me show you what I have left. So I have this really large like banner. It's not a flag, that's why it's just thrown like this. It's like a really large banner. And then I have this Mickey. He is, I think, 5 feet. Yeah, he's 5 feet. And then I have this Uncle Sam. I have another, this guy's like on a rocket. And then this American Eagle. So this is what I had just before. Some fireworks. So I don't know if I should put these up. You know what I'm afraid of? I'm afraid that it's going to mess up the grass. The grass is already looking a little rough. I should invent a platform that you can put your inflatables on that won't like damage the grass. Yeah, and make $1 million. But anyway. There's one. Alright guys, these are the ones I didn't put up. You see how faded they are? Well, at least this eagle is very faded. This guy doesn't look so faded. Alright, so this is all of them. All of the patriotic ones. So I'm not sure. Look at this sun fading. I don't know if you could tell. Look at it. See, because these are the, like, supposedly the feathers, so they were down. So it didn't lose the pigment here. Crazy. This poor guy. I have to figure out a way to treat him. But I did buy some spray, and I'll show you that in just a minute. Alright guys, so here it is. Now these are going to just be temporary because I don't want them to destroy the grass where they sit on top of the grass. We'll burn it. Not burn it, but you know what I mean. I got this this spray on Amazon to try to protect the inflatables from the sun, because the sun is pretty vicious right now. So you just wet it all. And I'm gonna compare these, you know, to these after the summer. Now these are 2 years old, so maybe that has to do with it, but still I don't want them to fade and get all brittle. Alright guys, this is what it looks like at night. You can see here are the other inflatables. I put them on the side. And these all grouped together. These are new. But I wanted to show you something that's going on. You can see we have our Gemmy lights up. They're on. But you see the strip from about right there to about right there. It's one strip of C9 lights. And they're totally messed up. They're not being picked up by the hub. And some of them are on, some of them are not on, so I can't find them anywhere online to replace them. So if you know where I could find them, please let me know. Send me the link or whatever. But if not, I'll have to take off the top row and move it down, and then replace the rest of the house with different lights. It's very sad that, you know, you can't find these things whenever you need to replace them. But anyway, let me know which one of these guys is your favorite. Thank you guys so much for watching, and bye.